Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. Here's this gorgeous deer pulling his sleigh. So let me show you what I did. I'm going to do all the stamping and colouring first. This is the stamp set we're using called Wishes and Wonder. And using the sentiment, the sleigh and the reindeer. So everything's set up here in my Stamparatus and we're stamping in Memento because I'm going to colour things in using my Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. So just going to give it a good ink up. So press it down. Didn't get the best impression here at the end, but that's why the Stamparatus is so good. I can re-stamp. Sorry if I shake the camera. Lovely. There we go. Wonderful. Take that out and I'm just going to clean up while I'm here with my simple chamois. Give my everything a nice clean up so it's not going to mess anything up. Put that to the side, straighten things up. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is going to cut out my sentiment before I ruin it. So let's see, what did I cut this to? I cut this to 3 centimeters, so I want it to be the same width, so I am going to cut it just there, which should be fine, and then I'm going to cut to 3 centimeters. I'm going to cut a little bit off the bottom and then we'll measure it. And I'm going to do my trick with a post-it note to hold it. There we go. And that will be my sentiment, so we can set that aside now. Let's put that away. And then we're going to colour these in, as I said, using the Stampin' Blend alcohol markers, which are these. So I've got the Smoky Slate, Crumb Cake and Real Red. I'll then cut everything out using the matching dies here, and these are the North Pole Wonder dies. So you can see here we've got the dies for our sled and for our reindeer. I've got this lovely one here to make a tag, which I think is going to be so useful this Christmas. And then I used the Freezing Friends die, and I used this long die here to make my snowbank. So I just used a piece of Whisper White, a 1/4 A4 sheet, and cut that. And then that gave me one piece, and then I'm going to use the other piece now. So I'm going to start colouring in and then cut everything out, and then I'll catch you when I've done that. Okay, so I've cut everything out and coloured it all in, so now we're going to do some assembling. So firstly I'm going to stick this piece down to my piece of pattern paper, and this is the Heartwarming Hugs Designer Series paper, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10, and we're just going to line these two up as best as we can, just like that. And then we're going to put this on our card base, and our card base is a piece of shaded spruce, and this is a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. Okay, and then we're going to put these down, and I've put dimensionals on the back, and I've taken them off already, so should make our life a little easier. And this is my little deer here. There we go. And now we're going to just do, I'm just going to bring my deer a bit down, a bit further, I think, if I can. It's always one dimensional that's want to stick more than the rest, isn't it? There we go. Bring him a bit further down like that, that's better. And now I'm just going to pennant the ends. So I'm going to decide how far along I want. I think about there. And then I'm just going to decide in the center it's going to be roughly around there. And then, I mean, you could use a punch to do this or a die, but I'm just doing it the old-fashioned way. And then I'm going to stick this down to my piece of shaded spruce as best as I can to get everything lined up. Okay, then I'm going to decide how far further out I want this to come, and about that will do. And I'll do the same thing like that. Simple. Okay, and then we're going to stick all of this down to my card base, just coming from the side like that. And then finishing touches, I've got here these all the trimmings embellishments, and I'm just going to put 3 of these little it's almost like enamel dots, but they're not shiny, they're quite matte there. So there you go. What do you think? Do you like it? I hope you do. If you do, I'll be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about this project, links to supply list, links to my online shop, it's all on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. You'll also find the link to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club, where we make 4 to 5 projects and I send you out the kit to make everything, and then we craft along together to Facebook Live. It's lots of fun, so I'd be very happy and honoured if you would join me for that. So until next time, thank you again and enjoy being creative. Bye!